I'm Tom Bull from Two River Computer. We're based in New Jersey. Formed in 2006. I'm the owner and operator. We started the business to be technology support for home and small business, and over that time morphed into becoming an MSP, in addition to repairing broken computers and doing on-site technology installation for both homes and small businesses. We classify ourselves as tech experts. If it connects to the internet, we probably know how to do it. We kind of morphed into Syncro. We started with a product called Repair Shopper back in 2013, and we're using to run our repair shop that way. Then when we needed to do managed services, we went outside because Repair Shopper didn't have it. And then Repair Shopper eventually spun off and became Syncro, but it wasn't quite ready yet. So we stayed on the sidelines for a bit till we saw that the product was really doing well and it was getting a lot of positive feedback. And so we moved over to it in 2022. What we were able to do is take 3 panes of glass and turn it into 1. So that made it very efficient for a technician to be able to go to a customer, identify a user and their asset, and be able to quickly connect to it and apply any changes either in the foreground or the background and help them overtly or covertly solve the problem. Lately, I would say the lion's share of problems are centered around Microsoft 365. Like there's an understanding issue from the user. And then printing, it is just the bane of the MSP's existence. So a lot of the problems are there. Some of them are super silly, and we keep track of the time that we spend. So a lot of our ticket time are 5 minutes, which could be handled with AI, which we're looking forward to some advancements on that front instead of tying up a technician. When Syncro first came out with the snapshot, the ability for us to get into a user's 365 tenant and see their secure score was really eye-opening for us, because a lot of us thought that a lot of it was already preset and as secure as it could be, and the fact is it was not. So taking advantage of that secure score snapshot, we were able to see where we were lacking and make changes. And at the same time, it became a sales tool for us, because we then went to the customers that we manage those tenants and said, look, you're below where you should be and we can get you higher, and anything that we can do to get your secure score higher is going to be better for you in the end. So it was a twofold thing. It solved some problems, some security issues for us, but it also provides some sales opportunities by showing people the reality. The things that they do now for me that has really helped and streamlined our business is a lot of ticket automation. It's made it easier for us to sort things into the buckets that we need them to be in, so it's saved a lot of manual labor. The automated ticket remediation has been a big help. When an alert comes into our ticketing dashboard that maybe a computer is running low on drive space, it's below the threshold that we established, it can automatically run some tools to free up more space. And then, in effect, open the ticket, do the work, close the ticket, and tell the customer, hey, we did something really cool for you just now, aren't we wonderful? And it just goes through, and a technician doesn't have to go in there and do anything. The way I would explain to another MSP who's not using the platform is that, number one is the economics of it. The way that the pricing is done, instead of per endpoint, it's per technician. So it's really good on the low end for somebody just trying to get started, and it can be very beneficial on the high end. And then for the entire journey as your business grows, Syncro makes that easier by the way they do their pricing model. That and some of the remediation tools and the automation tools make the technician very efficient. So especially now with the way Syncro's team is managing the projects and rolling out solutions for us, they're things that we really want. And as a member of the Partner Advisory Council, at this level, to be able to speak with developers and to speak with management and let them hear the things we love, the things we hate, the things we want them to do, the things that have no impact, for them to hear us and act on it is unusual. I don't think you see that in the marketplace anywhere. The other companies, the other competitors to Syncro, I don't feel are grounded with their users as much as Syncro is.